In this video, we are going to see how we can configure the default company that should automatically load when we start the software. So we will notice that whenever we open Teleprime, it always opens some company that we have created at the earliest point. Let's say that we were working in Elite Traders, a project before, and now we are working on Empire Textiles, but still it always open the earlier company. Let's continue in education mode, and as we can see here, it always open Elite Traders even though we are working in Empire Textiles, and that can create a lot of confusions, especially if you have entered a couple of vouchers and then you notice that we are in the wrong company. So you have to delete that work, switch the company and do the work all over again. So it can cause a lot of troubles here. So I want to either set the default company opening option to no, so that it always asks us which company to open, or otherwise we can set the other company as default so that every time that other company which we are currently working on should open. So on our right, we have the help menu. If we are on the gateway of Tele, help menu, just click on settings from here, and from here just click on startup, which is the fourth option right here. Now we can see load companies on startup. If you don't want the companies to load at startup and it should always ask you which company to open, you'll just set it to no. Otherwise, if you want to set it to yes, we want to change the companies to load. One is already selected. We'll just change this, double click here, and on our left we can notice that the list of companies to load on startup is set to Elite Traders. I'll just select it to Empire Textiles, which is our current working project, and make sure it is selected on the left side, and then click end of list. Now just remember to save this as well, otherwise the changes will not be effective. Press Ctrl A to save, and then quit the software, exit out of software, and just open that again. Continue in educational mode, and now we will notice that every time we load the company, it will always be Empire Textiles. So that is how you can set the default company to open in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.